In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Temu from your phone. Let's dive right in. First, you need to locate the Temu app on your device. This could be on your home screen or within your app drawer. Take a moment to scroll through your apps. It should have a recognizable icon. Spotting it might take a little time, but don't rush. Finding it ensures that you're removing the correct application from your phone. Once you've found the Temu app, press and hold its icon. This is a common gesture for accessing app options on most devices. Holding down the app icon will make a menu appear, or sometimes the icons will start to jiggle. This indicates that you can now manage the app. This step is crucial, as it prepares the app for uninstallation. Now you should see the option to tap uninstall. Go ahead and tap on it. This tells your phone that you want to remove the app. Don't worry if you're not entirely sure yet. There's always a chance to back out if you change your mind. But if you're set on removing it, this step is a must. Next up, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. You'll see a pop-up with options like OK or uninstall. Tap one of these to confirm. This extra step is there to prevent accidental deletions. It gives you the security of knowing that nothing will be removed without your explicit consent. Once that is done, you're all set. The app will begin uninstalling from your device. This might take a few moments, depending on your phone's speed and the app's size. You might see a progress bar or a brief notification. It's nothing to worry about. Just let it do its thing. At this point, you might be wondering why this process is important. Well, removing apps you no longer use can free up space on your phone. This can lead to better performance and more room for other apps or files. It's a small step, but it makes a noticeable difference. With the app uninstalled, you might notice that your phone feels a bit lighter. You won't see the Temu icon on your home screen or app drawer anymore. This confirms that the process was successful. It's a good practice to periodically review your apps and remove those you don't use. It keeps your device running smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the Temu app from your phone. Remember this process for any app you might want to uninstall in the future. It's simple and helps maintain your device's performance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, take care and happy organizing.